Welcome to Swordplay, a virtual reality game played in Brown University's cave. The cave is a four-walled system that uses stereoscopic vision. The goggles you see on Lincoln's head polarize the incoming light, alternating between the left and right eye. Although our camera is unable to capture the effect, Lincoln can see the world inside the cave in full 3D. The goggles and both controllers track position and orientation. The main system adjusts the view based off the goggles' information. As for the controllers, well, that's up to us, the programmers of Swordplay. One of our goals in Swordplay was to create a simple and intuitive control scheme. The sword and shield in the game are controlled directly by your own movements. When you swing your arm, your weapon will follow. The sword can be swung at enemies to damage them, dealing more damage with faster swings. The shield can be used to block and repel enemies. The trackball on the controller can be pushed to move and turn within the world. In addition, you can move through the world by actually walking in the room. You can switch to your bow and arrow by reaching behind your back. No button press is necessary. To draw an arrow, pull one out of your virtual quiver by reaching behind your back again. To fire an arrow, bring the arrow tail to your bowstring and hold down the left button. This will knock your arrow in place. You can then pull the arrow back, aim, and release the button to fire. One major feature in Swordplay is our spellcasting system. When holding your sword, hold down the left button to start drawing a spell in the air. There are 6 symbols that can be strung together in certain patterns to cast spells. Our code allows for other symbols to be easily added to the system. We're going to walk you through just some of the spells that you can cast. First is the Area of Effect spell. This damages nearby enemies over a short period of time. Next is Multi-Shot. If you cast this and shoot an arrow through it, the arrow will split 3 ways. And finally, our intentionally difficult to cast healing spell. As you can see, the light blue flashes indicate that Lincoln is being healed over a period of time. Most of the spells in this game can be enhanced by tagging on extra symbols to the end.